Hallo meine Lieben und herzlich willkommen zurück auf meinem Kanal. Ich freue mich sehr, dass ihr wieder dabei seid und heute habe ich euch ein Shop with me mitgebracht und zwar bei Depot. Ich habe euch quasi einfach mal mitgenommen beim Shoppen beim Depot und dachte, ich zeige euch mal die aktuellen Weihnachtsdeko-Trends und vielleicht auch die ein oder andere Last-Minute-Geschenkidee, die der ein oder andere vielleicht noch gebrauchen kann, denn ich weiß nicht, ob ihr es mitbekommen habt, meine Lieben, aber bald ist Weihnachten. Deswegen will ich gar nicht lange drum rumreden. Ich würde sagen, wir starten mit dem Video und dann wünsche ich euch viel Spaß dabei. Bis bald.
Just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied. Disney bona fide. And so are all of you. Does keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow